नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 4-32 एवं बहुविधा यज्ञा प्लस 4-33 श्रेयान द्रव्यमयाद यज्ञा, a study by S.L. Abhyankar. Let us study 4-32 and 4-33 together. But it is a good pattern to study the padachhedaha, vakyamshashaha vishleshanam, अन्वयार्थाः पदाभ्यासाश्च and छंदो विश्लेषणम only shlokashah, shloka by shloka, if the sentences are distinct in each shloka. Earlier we had done some studies together because there the sentences were not very distinct in every shloka. Here the sentences are distinct. So the shloka 4-32 is एवं बहुविधा यज्ञा वितता ब्रह्मणो मुखे कर्मजान विद्धितान सर्वान एवं ज्ञात्वा विमोक्षसे. पदच्छेदैः एवं बहुविधाः यज्ञाः वितताः ब्रह्मणः मुखे कर्मजान विद्धि तान सर्वान एवं ज्ञात्वा विमोक्षसे. एवं ब्रह्मणः मुखे बहुविधाः यज्ञाः वितताः तान सर्वान कर्मजान विद्धि एवं ज्ञात्वा विमोक्षसे. अन्वयार्थाः पदाभ्यासाश्च एवं बहुविधाः यज्ञाः ब्रह्मणः मुखे वितताः. एवं indeclinable, thus, so, in this manner or in this way, referring to what precedes as well as to what follows. Astyevam, एवं वादिनीदेवर्षौ ब्रूया एवं एवमस्तु, be it so, amen. यद्येवं, so, कमेवं, why so, मैवं, मा एवं, oh, not so, do not so. Evam has sometimes an adjectival force. Evam vachanam, such words. Yes, quite so, implying assent. सीता आहो जाने तस्मिन्नेव काले वर्ते राम एवं. Evam yadatha bhagavan. It is also said to have the senses of likeness, sameness of manner, affirmation or determination, command, or it is often used merely as an expletive. In the Vedas, evam occurs very rarely, its place being usually taken by eva. Bahuvidha, bahuvida, adjective, of many kinds, manifold, diverse. Yajnaha, yaj, bhave, na, a sacrifice, sacrificial rite, any offering or oblation. Yajnena yajnamayajanta devas, tasmad yajnat sarvahutaha. Yajnat bhavati parjanyo, yajna karma samudvaha. An act of worship, any pious or devotional act. Every householder, but particularly a Brahmana, has to perform 5 such devotional acts every day. Their names are Bhuta Yajna, Manushya Yajna, Pitru Yajna, Deva Yajna, and Brahma Yajna, which are collectively called the 5 great sacrifices. Brahmana, Brahman, Neuter. Bruh Manin, Nakarasya Akare Rutvo Ratvam, the Supreme Being, regarded as impersonal and divested of all quality and action. According to the Vedantins, Brahman is both the efficient and the material cause of the visible universe, the all-pervading soul and spirit of the universe, the essence from which all created things are produced and into which they are absorbed. अस्तितावन नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त स्वभावम सर्वज्ञम सर्वशक्ति समन्वितम ब्रह्म. मुखे, मुख, नाम नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम. मुखम, खन, अच, डित् धातोः पूर्वं मुच्च उणादि 5-20. The mouth, figurative also. Tvam mama mukham bhava, be my mouth or spokesman. The face, countenance. Vitataha, vi plus tan iti dhatu. Tasya kta visheshanam vitata. Atra pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Vitata, past participle. Spread out, extended, stretched. Amum yadyam vitatam mayaya. Chandogya Upanishad. Elongated, large, long, broad. Performed, accomplished, effected. Evam bahuvidaha yajnaha brahmana mukhe vitataha. In this way, various kinds of yajnaha are always taking place in the mouth of the Brahman. Tan sarvan karmajan vidhi. Tan, tat, sarvanama. Atra pullingam dvitiya bahuvachanam. Sarvan, सर्व सर्वनाम. अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम. कर्मजान कर्मज विशेषणम. अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम. कर्मणि जायते इति कर्मज उपपद तत्पुरुष. व्हाट इज बोर्न आउट ऑफ कर्म. विद्धि विद इति धातु. तस्य लोटि मध्यम पुरुषः एकवचनम. विद विदं ज्ञाने. टू अंडरस्टैंड, to learn, to know, to realize, to experience, to be sad, to meditate, to think. Adadihi, Dvitiya Ganiyaha Parasmapadi, Sakarmakaha set. Tan Sarvan Karmajan Vidhi. Know that all these arise from karma. Evam Jnatva Vimokshase. Evam, indeclinable. I have already mentioned it above, but because in different contexts the meaning will be different. For example, here evam jnatva, by knowing this. So evam is sort of a karma padam, object of the participle jnatva. So evam jnatva, evam vachanam. That's why I thought it good to repeat all the detail about evam from the Aptez dictionary. Jnatva, jna dhatu, tasya tvantam. Jna avabodhane, to know, to realize, to understand. Kradi, navamaganiyaha parasmaipadi, sakarmakaha anit. Vimokshase, vi plus much dhatu, tasya yaki, कर्मणि प्रयोगे. वृति, तस्य भविष्यत्काले. मध्यम पुरुषः एकवचनम. विमुच षष्ठगणीयः परस्मैपदी. टू फ्री, टू लिबरेट. एवं ज्ञात्वा विमोक्षसे. When you have acquired this knowledge, you will obtain release. छंदो विश्लेषणम. एवं बहुविधा यज्ञा अष्टाक्षराणि विधाय ज्ञा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. वितता ब्रह्मणो मुखे अष्टाक्षराणि मणो मु एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. कर्मजान् विद्धितान् सर्वान् अष्टाक्षराणि धितान् सर्वा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. एवं ज्ञात्वा विमोक्षसे अष्टाक्षराणि विमोक्ष एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दः in 4-32. Now Shloka 4-33. The shloka is Shreyan dravyamyadhyajna jnana yajna parantapa sarvam karma akhilam partha jnane parisamapyate. Patachhedahi Shreyan द्रव्यमयात् यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः परन्तप सर्वं कर्म अखिलं पार्थ ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते. वाक्यांशः विश्लेषणम्. I always prefer to take the Sambodhan, words which are in address case, separately. Parantapa द्रव्यमयात् यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः श्रेयान् पार्थ ज्ञाने सर्वम अखिलम कर्म परिसमाप्यते. अन्वयार्थाः पदाभ्यासाश्च. परन्तप द्रव्यमयात् यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः श्रेयः परंतप संबुद्धौ एकवचनम परंतपः यस्य सः परंतपः बहुव्रीहि परंतपः वन हु हैज ऑब्जर्व्ड एक्सट्रीम पेनांस द्रव्यमयात् द्रव्यमय विशेषणम अत्र पुल्लिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम द्रव्यमय एडजेक्टिव द्रव्यमयी फेमिनिन मटेरियल हैविंग एनी सब्सटेंस consisting of wealth यज्ञात यज्ञ नाम पुल्लिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम यज्ञः यज भावे न a sacrifice sacrificial right again this I am repeating not exactly for any additional information but to make it connected with the total phrase परंतप द्रव्यमयाद् यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः श्रेयान् ज्ञानयज्ञः ज्ञानेन यज्ञः इति ज्ञानयज्ञः तृतीया तत्पुरुषः अथवा ज्ञानमयः यज्ञः इति ज्ञानयज्ञः मध्यमपदलोपी श्रेयान् श्रेयस् विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम् परंतप द्रव्यमयाद् यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः श्रेयान् ओ परंतप द ज्ञानमयः यज्ञः that is the yajna performed by sacrificing everything into the fire of realization, knowledge, is better than the dravyamaya yajna. What is the yajna performed by sacrificing material? Dravyamaya yajna, that is the yajna performed by sacrificing materials. Partha sarvam akhilam karma jnane parisamaप्यते. पार्थ पृथायाः अयमिति पार्थः संबुद्धौ एकवचनम सर्वम सर्व सर्वनाम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम अखिलम अखिल एडजेक्टिव नास्ति खिलम अवशिष्टम यस्य होल एंटायर कंप्लीट ऑफन विथ सर्वनाम एतद्धिमतोधिजगे सर्वमेषाम ऑफन विथ सर्व सो हियर ऑल्सो सर्वम अखिलम एतद्धिमतो जगे मत्तो धिजगे सर्वेमेषु सर्वमेषु खिलं मुनिः कर्म कर्मन I have blanked off the masculine aspect because here the neuter aspect is more relevant. So karman neuter krumanin unadi 4-144 action work deed execution performance ज्ञाने ज्ञान नाम नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम ज्ञानम ज्ञा भावे ड्यूट knowing understanding becoming acquainted with proficiency consciousness cognizance knowledge knowingly or unknowingly consciously or unconsciously sacred knowledge especially knowledge derived from meditation on the higher truths of religion and philosophy, which teaches man how to understand his own nature and how he may be reunited to the Supreme Spirit. Opposite of karma. Jnanam that way is considered opposite of karman. And Jnana Yoga and Karma Yoga both are referred to in Bhagavad Gita 3-3. Parisamapyate. Pari plus sam plus ap iti dhatu. Tasya yaki that is कर्मणि प्रयोगे लटि वर्तमान काले प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम आप आपृन व्याप्तौ टू ऑब्टेन टू परवेड टू ऑक्युपाई टू रीच टू गेट नोट परिसमापनम इज परिसमाप्ति ही फिनिशिंग कंप्लीटिंग पार्थ सर्वम अखिलम कर्म ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते बिकॉज ओ पार्थ all actions of all kinds are ultimately merged into jnanam. Chando Vishlesham Shreyan Dravyamaya Jajnat Ashtrakshan Maya Jajna Etesham Matraha Eka Dve Dve Jnana Yajnah Parantapa Ashtrakshan Paranta Etesham Matraha Eka Dve Eka Sarvam Karma Khilam Partha Ashtrakshan Khilam Pa एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते अष्टक्षराणि समाप्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दः in 4-33 टिप्पण्यः. Now the टिप्पण्यः notes of self-study will be for both 4-32 and 4-33. The translations at 32-1-7, 32-2-5, 32-3-4, 33-2-6 and 33-4-7. These are the numbers where the respective Vakyamshaha are noted and their translations are noted. All those translations are from https://archive.org/details/Srimad Bhagavad Gita Rahasya BG Tilak. The translation of 4-32 is followed by sort of an explanatory note. The yajnaha of physical materials prescribed by the Shrutis, such as the Jyotishthoma, etc., are performed by throwing oblations into the fire. And as the sacrificial fire is supposed to be in the mouth of the gods, these sacrifices are stated by the Shastrani to reach the various deities. But someone may raise the doubt that since the symbolical yajna mentioned above are not performed in fire, which is the mouth of the gods, fire which is the mouth of the gods, how can merit be acquired by performing them where there is no fire? Therefore, in order to remove this doubt, the Blessed Lord now says that these yajnaha are performed into the mouth of the Brahman itself. The purport of the second part of this stanza is that he who understands this extended meaning of the performance of a yajna and does not understand that word in the narrow meaning given to it by the Mimamsa school does not remain narrow-minded, but is enabled to understand the form of the Brahman. The Blessed Lord now explains which is the most superior of all these kinds of yajna. Frankly, I was not comfortable with the mention in 4-32, evam bahuvidaha yajnaha vitataha brahmanaha mukhe karmajan vidyitan sarvan evam jnatva vimokshase. The point of discomfort was how just by knowing that all yajnaha are karmajaha would make one eligible for vimoksha. However, this mention that all yajnaha are karmajaha implies that one must never think, never shirk karma, because karma leads to yajna. And that is important. So, not shirking karma would keep one devoted to yajna, which makes one eligible for vimoksha. Actually, the thought that all yajnaha are karmajaha is not a new thought. It has been already mentioned in Yajna Karma Samudbhavaha 3-14. That is an important point in studying Gita, that one must not lose track of what thoughts have been already mentioned. Translation of 4-33 is also followed by another note. The word Jnana Yajnaha has occurred twice later on in the Gita, Gita 9-15 and 18-17. The Yajnaha of materials performed by men is performed by them for attaining the Parameshwara. But one cannot attain the Parameshwara unless one is acquainted with his form. Therefore, the method of acquiring the knowledge of the form of the Parameshwara and of attaining the Parameshwara by leading a course of life which is consistent with that knowledge is known as the Jnana Yajnaha. This Yajna is mental and is performed with the help of the reason, and it is naturally considered more worthy than the Yajna of wealth. This Jnanam, included in the Jnana Yajna, is of supreme importance in the science of release, and it is the firm doctrine of the Gita that 1. All karma is destroyed by means of jnanam. 2. In any case, the jnanam of the Parameshwara must ultimately be obtained. And 3. There is no release except by the acquisition of jnanam. Nevertheless, I have proved in detail in chapters 10 and 11 of the Gita Rahasya that the words all actions of all kinds are ultimately merged in jnanam. In this stanza are not to be understood by meaning that after a man has acquired jnanam, he may give up karma. The Gita preaches to everybody that 1. All actions must be performed as a matter of duty for universal welfare, though they may not be needed for one's own self. 2. As all these actions are performed with jnanam, that is, with an equable reason, the person who performs them is not affected by the merit or sin of that action. See stanza 37 later on. We will have to keep a note of this. And 3. As this jnana yajna leads to release, one must perform the yajna, but with jnanam and with a desireless frame of mind. In the shloka 4-33, Sri Krishna Bhagavan addresses Arjuna both as Parantapa and as Partha. That only shows how lovingly, how compassionately Sri Krishna Bhagavan wants Arjuna to understand the philosophical truths. That is how Srimad Bhagavad Gita is Gita, a song sung by Sri Krishna Bhagavan. Of course, Sri Krishna Bhagavan is not at all agreeable to all the arguments of Arjuna about why Arjuna thought that the war was not worth fighting. But the style of Sri Krishna Bhagavan is not one of counter arguments, is not of reprimand. Style of Sri Krishna Bhagavan is loving, musical, sympathetic, empathetic, compassionate, even repeating the thoughts like a teacher. For example, the mention yajnaha karmajaha in 4-32 is repetitive of yajnaha karma samudbhava in 3-40. It would be an interesting exercise for a sincere student of Gita to compile thoughts which are repeated. Shubhamastu.